Do not adjust your set. We're going through the swamp.
You're soaked.
I fell again.
We're gonna have to go a little more. Oh my god. Okay, look. Let me see. Oh no.
I felt it. Oh, the things I do for you, folks. There. No. Listen. Not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll clean it up. Got a -10. I'm using my new shovel. Oh! Did you see that? It's new. Stainless steel. Now if it was Tuesday, I'd be doing a stealth digger spoon toss. But it's Saturday, so I guess I can't. But I'll add it to the spoon collection. Really? I'm thinking that's probably a piece from maybe a shotgun shell? I don't know. I'm not sure. The ground is starting to freeze though. As you can see, frozen ground. But Underneath, still pliable. My shovel's working pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with that. We're gonna move on. It's actually, it's -5 right now, but there's no wind and it's cloudy, so it's very tolerable. And you can't, you can't see my breath or anything, so it's actually not too bad. So I'm gonna carry on. They're calling for snow tomorrow. Let's continue. Okay. Well, looks like I got another head stamp. Imperial. Imperial 12 gauge. First head stamp for the day. Let's continue. It's time for...
What you snacking on, Liz?
Today, I have a snack from the Philippines, and it's good for you. It's called Vegetarian Pea Snack. Let's get into it. All right. Not too bad. Here, have a look. Can you see that? Alright, I think this is the coldest I've been when I've done what you snacking on, Liz. My fingertips are actually starting to get cold. Here goes. Actually tastes like peas. Surprise. Really nothing to write home about, but they're vegetarian and there's no artificial colors, flavors, or anything like that, so they're pretty healthy. Now, a little while back I did get some messages or comments saying that I should try to eat a little bit better because I eat a lot of chemicals. So I got this. Made in the Philippines. And I wouldn't be having beer with this, that's for sure, but I suppose if you're trying to eat good snacks, this would be a good one to eat. But if you're not into that, I don't think I'd buy it. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give it a 3. So it's a pass. Man, my fingertips are really getting cold. If you have something you'd like me to try, I will try it. I mean, I'll try good stuff, bad stuff, in between stuff, whatever. I will try it. And I'll give you my honest opinion. So until next time, eat your snacks. Another shotgun shell. There's a lot of shooting going on here. Oh, this one's Dominion. Dominion Maxim. What do you think that's from? A hawk, maybe? I don't know. I'm not really sure what these things are. Thought maybe first this one was a bullet. I'm not sure. That one looks like a bullet, but it's really teeny. I'm really not sure. Another bullet. Another bullet. I don't know if that was what was coming in at 30. I might check the hole again. This hole is just full of these little, I don't know, bits of lead. It's absolutely full. There's like hundreds in here. There's another one. There's another. Oh, there's another piece. There's another piece. There's tons. I don't know what they are. Here's another one. But they're all, I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's, look at that. It's just loaded. Loaded with these little, here's some more, little bits of lead. We have a surface find. Now, does anybody know what that is? What car that's from? Anybody? I'm pretty sure that is a hubcap. How cool is that? I'm gonna guess 1950s. Now, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Seriously, there's still some paint on there. I'm gonna take that home with me and clean it up. I like that. Now that's about the best find of the day. I think this is old. I'm gonna say 1950s. That is a pretty cool arrow design on that. I'm liking that. Excellent find. Goes in the backpack. I'm gonna try to get one more signal. I really want to get one more signal, but the temperature's starting to drop, and I'm wet from falling in the swamp, so it's starting to get cold. My feet are absolutely soaked, even though I brought these boots. The water level went over. I took a couple steps and it was really deep. But I'm going to try and get one more. As you can see, the sun's starting to go down. Hoping for one more, and then we got to get ourselves a ride. I think that's going to be it for today. The sun's going down and it's starting to get cold, so I think it's time to head back home. Not that great today. Did get that surface find, that hubcap. I think it's beautiful, and I can't wait to find out exactly what it is. If you know what it is, leave a comment down below. It's it's starting to get cold right now, and wet feet. I've got a wet backside. I think that's gonna be it. That's it for today. Until next time, keep it real. Doesn't get any more real than falling in a swamp. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Take care. think this is the coldest I've been when I've done 𝗥𝗔𝗗𝗧𝗘𝗟. My fingertips are actually starting to get cold. Temperature's going down. I'm so cold. All right, let's try this again.